Hi, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to improve the texture of your skin, you've got to try out this Resurfacing Nighttime Mask by Cocokind. I love the idea of this mask, I love how it works, and I think the ingredients are amazing. So this nighttime resurfacing mask is great. It's so easy to use. It has a retinol alternative in it, so it's going to leave my skin clear, bright, and it's going to help to even out the skin tone. You can see how easy it is to put on. It's not sticky. It goes on nice and smooth. I love that it doesn't have a color, so I can put it on at night, but I can still do things around the house and it's not noticeable that I even have it on. I like that it's not sticky. I put it on as the last step of my nighttime facial routine, and I will just leave it on until the morning and rinse it off. I can use it 3 to 4 times a week. You've got to try this one out from Cocokind. Beautiful ingredients. I think the product works really nice. It'll make your skin feel nice and soft and glowing. I love it, and that's my point of view.